how to fix Spotify Premium not activating on the app. If you open up the Spotify app, then click on your icon in the top left corner. Then you want to go into settings and privacy. Here, you want to make sure that you are using the same account here, which you have paid for. Where it says your premium, you should be able to see that it is active. If it's not, you will go into settings and privacy, and then you want to log out at the bottom. Once you log out, then you will need to go into settings. Here, we're just going to search for iPhone storage. Click on iPhone storage. Now from the list of applications, you want to find Spotify. You want to offload the app. So here, click on offload app. And once you offload it, you will reinstall it. Afterwards, you will sign into the correct Spotify account, which you have bought premium on. And this is going to fix the issue. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.